Hello, this is a Polaroid DVF-130 USB digital camcorder in titanium color. It features a 2-inch display, 8x digital zoom, 640 by 480 resolution, shoots at 30 frames per second, built-in USB for easy downloading into your computer. It also features a SD card compatible slot for expanded memory. Also compatible with PC and Mac computer systems. It's also very easy to download it to popular websites such as Facebook and YouTube. That is the front of the unit, and this is the USB connector for access to your computer.